How to record yourself on Macbook. So let's get started. Head over to Launchpad. Here you can see Launchpad and search for photo booth. If you didn't find photo booth there, you can simply search it photo booth. Here you can see photo booth. Click it here. Here you can see video icon. Record a movie clip. Click it here. Click this red icon. Now it is recording my video. Click it here to stop a video. Here you can see the video has saved. Right click and here you can delete the video or export the video where you want. Let's say I want on the desktop. You can simply save it. It is recording. Here you can see the video has saved in the desktop. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.